In a mountain, there lived a wise Zen master named Master Li. He was renowned not only for his profound wisdom but also for his remarkable ability to control his emotions. One crisp morning, a young man named Sam arrived at the gates of Master Li's humble abode. Sam was a level 3 English learner, and he had traveled a great distance to seek the wisdom of the Zen master. He had learned about Master Li's exceptional ability to handle emotions and was eager to uncover solutions to his own difficulties in dealing with anger and anxiety. Master Li welcomed Sam with a gentle smile and invited him to sit beneath a towering cherry blossom tree. The aroma of the blossoms filled the air, creating an atmosphere of serenity. Sam began to explain his challenges, his words faltering at times due to his limited English proficiency. Master Li, with a warm understanding, started to share his story in simple, clear English to ensure Sam could grasp the essence of his teachings. He recounted his own journey toward emotional mastery, emphasizing the importance of self-awareness. Emotions, Master Li explained, are like clouds in the sky. They come and go, but the sky remains unchanged. Just as the sky is always there, our inner peace can be found beneath the ever-changing clouds of our emotions. Sam listened intently, taking notes as he tried to grasp the concept. Master Li continued, "To control your emotions, you must first observe them without judgment. Like a curious observer watching clouds float by in the sky, watch. Your emotions come and go without attachment." As the days turned into weeks, Sam practiced the teachings of Master Li. With each meditation session and mindfulness exercise, his grasp of the English language improved, and so did his emotional control. He began to observe his emotions without reacting impulsively. One sunny morning, as Sam sat beneath the cherry blossom tree, a fierce storm rolled in. The once clear sky became dark and thunder rumbled. Sam remained calm, just as Master Li had taught him. In that moment, he realized that his emotional storms were like passing weather in his mind, and he could choose how to react to them. The unique blend of wisdom and language development that Sam received from Master Li allowed him to not only control his emotions but also become more fluent in English. Sam returned to his homeland with a newfound sense of inner peace, ready to share the profound teachings of the Zen master with others. The story of Sam's transformative journey under the guidance of Master Li spread far and wide. As it did, it reminded everyone that emotional mastery transcends language barriers, and that with patience and understanding, we can all find the calm beneath the tempest of our emotions.